guys, what's up? This is Titikhya. Welcome back to my channel, Titikhya Vlogs. Okay, so I'm shooting this video almost after a decade. Okay, not after a decade. Like, I have a lot of videos piled up in my folder. It's just that I just could not get time to edit them. But now, since I have a lot of time, I'm quarantining. Thankfully, we have got our internet, so why not now? Also, you have already read the title, so this is basically for all the bloggers and influencers out there who always wanted to start their YouTube channel or just planning to start it anytime soon. Let me tell you, guys, like this is the best time you can start it because we all are free and we have nothing to do right now. The only question arises is how would we do the shoot outdoor? Well, it's not necessary to go out, but you can shoot it indoor like I do. And the basic idea behind this video is to show you my setup ideas. Like I have got 2-3 setup ideas. I rotate it. If you want to do the same, you can do it. You can be more creative than me. So my setup ideas is all about ghar ki cheezein. So I just frame all my household things into a particular frame that looks good. And I'm going to show it to you guys. I hope you like them. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Also, do let me know which setup is your favorite. Also, if you really like the video, hit the like button and subscribe it if you haven't already. Stay home, stay safe because you know it's really important to stay indoors.